today we are making pav bhaji, and to make the pav bhaji I have taken the vegetables: 3 onions, 150 gram of cauliflower, 2 carrots, 3 tomatoes and 1 capsicum. So let's begin. Home chefs, to cut the onions I'm using this chopper, and I'm going to put the half onion like that, and then I'm going to press it. This size onion is perfect. So after that, you can see all of the onions are chopped, and they all are chopped in equal size. Now I don't have to worry about the size of the onion or whether they are equally chopped or not. Pav bhaji, and to make the pav bhaji I have taken all these ingredients. You can see I have taken 2 chopped carrots, then 2 chopped potatoes, then 150 gram of chopped cauliflower, and then on the back side you can see I have taken 3 chopped onions, 1 chopped capsicum and 3 chopped tomatoes, and this is half katori of green peas which I'll be using. Firstly I'm going to put the oil in the cooker. Just today we are making pav bhaji, and to make the pav bhaji I have taken the cooker. You can also take the pan, that's fine. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. You can use any refined oil, whatever you have at home. Sorry, 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Then I'm using this Amchar pav bhaji masala. But before that, we will add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in it. When the seeds starts popping, we will add the pav bhaji masala. Just 1 teaspoon. We won't let the masala burn. So after that we will add our vegetables. That we will add 1 teaspoon of salt. After adding the salt, on chips we have added 1.5 glass of water, and after mixing it twice, I'm going to put the lid on it, and we will wait for 2 whistles, and after that I'll put the flame on slow mode and I'll wait for 1 more whistle, and then I'll switch off the gas. Home chefs, I'm putting this aside as the whistles are done for the vegetables, and now for the gravy I'm taking this big pan. And in this big pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and 3 tablespoons of butter. Oil will help the butter, and it will help to butter not to get burned, because if we put only butter, then the butter can get burned and it wouldn't be taste good in the pav bhaji. Once the butter melts, I'm going to add our 3 onions which we have chopped earlier. Now add the chopped onion. Cook the onion for 5 minutes, home chefs. high flame. Chopped capsicum, and cook it on high flame in this stew. Home chefs, we need to roast the onion on high flame, but we do not need to roast it too much. So keep stirring so that it doesn't get burned. Chefs, after 5 minutes I put the gas on the slow mode and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and then this is our pav bhaji masala. I'm going to add 20 ml of it. It would be 1 tablespoonful. Chili powder, which is red chili powder, but it doesn't have spiciness, it's just for the color, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. After that I'm going to add, this is fenugreek leaves dried. I'm going to add them like that, then I'm going to stir it again. And we need to cook the ginger garlic paste properly, and we need to roast the spices in the mixture. You can see our degi mix has given a very good color to the pav bhaji. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, home chefs. After 2 minutes, home chefs, I'm adding chopped coriander, put it on it, and as well as I'm adding half lemon. As you can see, our gravy is almost ready, so I'm adding 1 katori of water in the gravy, and I'm going to put it on slow flame, and meanwhile I'm going to open the cooker of the vegetables. Home chefs, I have opened the cooker, and as you can see, our vegetables has been cooked properly, and now I'm going to use the grinder to mix the vegetables. Let's see how we will do it. Home chefs, this is my masher, and I'm going to use this masher to mash the vegetables. Home chefs, after mashing the vegetables, you can see they have become like that, and now I'm going to add this mixture in our pav bhaji gravy. Chefs, you can see the consistency is totally fine. We do not need to add any more water in it. This is the time, home chefs, when you can check the salt and pepper. Like if it is not according to your taste, you can add more. We will let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes more. Home chefs, our pav bhaji is ready after 5 minutes. And you can serve with this fresh coriander. Home chefs, enjoy the pav bhaji and please share and subscribe the channel if you like the video. Thank you for watching the video, home chefs.